guys, Monster Man here. I'm super bored, so I decided to just play with my cat a little bit. So, like, she's right there. You know what? Show her face. Boom. She's not doing anything. Anyway, that back here, cheeks. I can see you. Right there. Anyway, that doesn't matter. What matters is I am awesome. Why did I do that? But seriously, guys. Ooh, she's coming. Oh, wait. No, she's not. No. Okay. Oh, gosh. She almost scratched me. And that does not feel good. She, like, scratched my neck earlier. Like, it was right there on the back. But I don't know if you guys can see it. But, you know, I got super bored. So I decided to do a vlog. Because, you know, don't want to do too much video games, but I probably will upload some, like, Roblox today, because, like, I might go on the Stick page, actually. Have you guys watched Friend the Complex yet? You play that? Who cares, but, you know, YouTube stuff, you know, you have to do the cats. Bum, 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 bum. Oh gosh, he's coming. You could use your phone as a mirror, you know, like, or your tablet, just go on the camera and then look, and then you can see how handsome you are. Or you could just go to the nearest bathroom and look in a mirror. Okay. Did someone knock on the door? Let's go check. Hopefully it's not the FBI or the SWAT. Oh gosh. Ta-da! I don't know how that was magic. Okay, yep. I need a tissue. Yep. I don't have tissue, so I basic toilet paper. You know what? I don't care. Ew. Anyway, just throw that away. You know what? If you have a runny nose, just get a tissue immediately. Oh, God. Anyway. So, where'd the cat go? Are you over there, cheeks? And who cares? I haven't had breakfast yet. It's only like, hold on. I'm just checking the time really quick. It's only 9:30, so yeah. This video has been like 4 minutes and 7 seconds already, so I don't know why I use a pink controller when I play video games. It's weird, you know, but I don't care. I almost fell down. I see you. No, I don't, but if someone I know watches this, Clayton, yeah, you know what? I did that. Yeah, Clayton is a friend of mine. He's really good as a friend, but, you know, my videos don't get many views, so just, you know. Do you know how weird this looks? And my eye feels weird. Guys, I really want to get PewDiePie Legend of the Brofist on Steam, but I'm pretty sure it would cost money. But if I did get it, the good side is that I could play it and record it. The bad side is it would probably cost money and I couldn't talk. Okay, that was weird. Okay, I'm awake now, but I can see my face and yeah. You watch me bleed until I can't breathe. I think I'm Chinese.